The member for Shortland.
Thank you, Mr Deputy Speaker. Never in Australia's history has there been a worse government than the Abbott government. It's a government that's lied. It's a government that's broken promise. It's promise after promise after promise. It's a government that's taken government in this country to a new low. Before the election, no cuts to health. Before the election, no cuts to education. Before the election, no cuts to the ABC and pension and SBS. And before the election, they promised the pensioners of Australia that they would not touch their pensions. Yet today we see graphically what they have in store for the pensioners of Australia. This government is an absolute disgrace. It stands condemned for its lies and broken promises. Each and every day I have constituents ringing my office, emailing me, telling me how disappointed they are with the performance of the Abbott government, how disappointed they are with the lies and broken promises. And, Mr Deputy Speaker, the final nail in their coffin is the GP tax and their failure to admit they're wrong in that area, and the introduction of $100,000 degrees. Their changes to education, their changes to university really condemns them and puts the nail in their coffin.
Order.